Operation of YD5OE Hardness Tester. Equipped with 5 grams weight, 10 millimeters block, waste boxes, and brushes. Turn on the power switch. The screen lights up. Boot self-test. Self-check completed. Login account, admin. Password 123,456. Set experiment name. Set the test times. Choose parameters according to demand. Carry out the test. Turn on the weighing sensor. Reset the weight to 0. Shown as 0. Put it in there. Click on Weight Measurement. The thickness is then measured. Put the waste box in. Stick the pill against the side wall. Tap to measure thickness. Thickness measurement completed. Then the hardness diameter was measured. Place the pill horizontally. Measurement completed. Taking the brush will simply waste the box. The second test follows the same procedure. First, weigh. Measuring thickness. Measure hardness and diameter. Throw into the waste bin. After the test was completed, automatic reader action analysis page can keep demand value, set as valid or invalid. See the details on the right panel. Save the data to print. Click to return. View other interfaces. The hardness of the calibration. Remove the external sensor on one side. Horizontal on the loading table. Click Calibrate. Calibration completed. Click to return. Then proceed with the diameter calibration. Standard piece in platform to 10 millimeters. Click Calibrate. Remove the stop block. Click Calibrate again. Calibration completed. Carry out weight calibration. Place the 5 grams weight on the tray. Click Calibrate. Remove the weights. Click Calibrate. Click to return. Then Other interfaces. Login records. Experimental record. Click to view the record. You can view the calibration records. Account management. The first one is the main account. You can add an account. Click to return. You can see the time settings. Regarding this machine, you can see the production date and instrument number. That's all for the introduction.